Got a box to open today. It's been safely wrapped in plastic so it doesn't make any more naughty little boxes. What's in here? Well, it is actually payment for something. The leather Electrolux handles, well, the leather handles that I had made for the Electrolux XII. This is part payment for those. I gave him both a bit of cash. And he started saying, he said, we like these machines, the machine that's in here. We've got one, but it's knackered. And I went, leave it with me. So, am I going to regret saying leave it with me, or is this not going to be too bad? There's one way to find out. Let's have a look. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? This box should contain an Oreck. No idea what sort of Oreck it is, but an Oreck it contains. I have no idea what used to be in this box, something with a battery by the looks of it. Just need to cut the gaffer tape that's been used. There we go. Get rid of that. So yeah, something that had a battery. There shouldn't be anything that requires a battery in this box anymore, because obviously the Oreck, well actually no, Oreck do battery powered backs I think, but the Oreck that is in this box is very much good old fashioned, won't run down, won't lose power. Ooh. Oh. It's had a shark in it, look. God. It's been infected. The person that sent me this loves sharks. They are shark mad. See, I've never fully loved it all. They've also had their fancy stereo put in their car. See, I've looked at these for mine, more the flip out screens than the double din, but one with Android Auto in it. They are flipping expensive. I'm not bothered. Ugh, some packaging materials and bag. Ugh. Well, this was nice and simple, wasn't it? That was it. An Oreck and bag, and I have a shark box to go with it, although I'll probably keep it and use it to box up this to go back to its own. I want to get it out so we can have a look at which shark it actually was. It's a Shark Duo Clean shark, which it's got a 5-year guarantee. Did I just see? Imagine it's going to be needed if it even lasts 5 years. Right, we'll be down a little bit and we'll get this unpacked. Imagine it's done that whilst filming, really. That took no time at all. Right. Yeah, so this is, I mean, obviously you've seen Oreck on my channel before. I think that was a slightly older model to this. To be honest, this is going to be exactly the same as that one. They really didn't change much. Oreck used the SIBO method of vacuum cleaner manufacturing, which is if it ain't broke and people buy it, just keep making it and change the colour. Which is what they do still, even SIBO still. The X7 isn't wildly different to the X1.1 really. But yeah, they haven't gone to town on changing this, that and the other. Very green. The Oreck XL Classic. I can't remember what the grey one was. I think it was a classic as well, actually. There we go. Gosh, some liberal use of the old red tape here, look. Come on. To keep the cable in place, and yet more red tape here, which I'm just going to cut because I cannot be bothered to unravel it all. There we go, look. Obviously the handle is wired together to the machine itself. And it's going to be quite a simple thing to fit to the machine. Just going to take a photo for the thumbnail picture. All we have to really do is first get a screwdriver by the looks of it. Ooh, that was nearly my fingers. Undo this rear screw here, which looks loose but isn't. Bit of tape there as well, not quite sure that's not doing anything so you can come off. There we go, look. Front, insert metal screws opposite side, yeah. So I don't think you do. I don't quite know where the screw goes. I don't think it's this way. Both holes are threaded. And the screw definitely came from this bottom one, because you can see the impact marks from the grip washer on the back of that. But it doesn't go in fully. That's because, oh gosh, you can see now that have moved. That's the threaded piece. There we go. That's roughly lined up. Let's try again. Aha! Do that nice and tight. There we go. And then we can clip the cable through the one cable grip there, and that's about all it does. Really. Have a look at the outer bag. It's in good condition. Oh look, we have a nice brand new bag to go with it. So we can have a play. Gosh, that is huge and quite dirty. So it's got to go through the washing machine, which it should do, which it won't do. I might do. It's that big plastic cage there, but it should be alright. It'll just flap around a bit, really. Right, so these usually all fit on the same way. So if I can remember from the other Oreck, that pushes onto there, and then it's this clip, this bit here, that clips onto this part there. And the bag slides into this bit. Oh, it's a bit stiff, but I'm not sure if that's just because it's a pattern and not an original bag. Oh, okay, we'll take it off. Oh, it's popped out. Ooh, misses. Oh gosh. Why have you done that? Don't do that. Out you come. Popped out of its slot on one side. There we go. Marvellous. This bit came off. Well, we might be on to a winner in a minute. Becco struggles to assemble possibly the world's most simplest vacuum cleaner in the world. Doesn't get much more simpler than an Oreck, does it? Does it, folks? Now, why won't you... there we go. So, the inner bag is fitted. Clip the bag to the base, and our Oreck XL Classic, although the bag says Oreck XL or Oreck Plus Kellogg Hypoallergenic Plus XL2. Crikey. I don't think they could work out what they wanted to call this. Right, well, we're assembled. Let's have a look underneath. By reclining it, I wish I'd done this before I put the handle on now. And underneath we haven't got a spare belt. Oh well, never mind. Let's hope there's one fitted. So if we remove this, excellent. We have a belt fitted. It is alright, the brush roll is in very good condition. They're very soft on these, but I found that they still do work very well. So that's nothing to really worry about. It's very clean. Oh, it's got a translucent bumper on it. Hadn't noticed that. Right, well, it's a good job that it looks like it should work, because it is a bit of a mess in here, so I think I should reposition the camera. And we shall see what it's like. I haven't actually put that on, I've just seen that. That's the sort of cable holder. It should go just about there, but I'm not going to bother for now. So, we're plugged in and it hasn't exploded, although I wasn't really expecting it to anyway. Very loose and wobbly. This isn't done up. Wonder why that was. Well, that's a bit better. I mean, these aren't the most robust machines ever, but not bad at all, really. See, I quite like these. I mean, yes, they're not great, but they pick the bits up. They are ever so light. I mean, the adverts are almost right. It hurts a little bit, but you can pick it up with a little finger, with a finger that doesn't bend as much. It's very easy. You can do it. Oh, what have we got? It is an XL2 605HH from, I think I'm right in saying, week 15 2010. I'm sure that's the date bit because I did my old one. That definitely says 2010. That possibly the week. Who knows? Made in Cookeville, Tennessee. The Oreck Foundation USA. S of A. So I've got another American thing. Beautiful. So this will be cleaned up because, as you can see, it is in used condition just about everywhere. It's not bad. Picked it up from the car boot. You can happily roll with it as it is, but I'm going to give it a refurb because these aren't difficult to do. And I've got our man's address, so I can just post it to him. When he gets it, he'll probably know who it's from because nobody else he talks to really does anything with vacuum cleaners. So we shall surprise him with this. But first, I've got some work to do. You can sit back and wait for the video to land. I've got some work to do to get this Oreck, I'm going to call it an XL2 because I think that's what it actually is, up to the standard that you expect from me on my channel. Huh, there we go. Thank you very much for watching. I shall see you soon. Well, bye bye.